Aliens? Unexplained vortexes? Or evil spirits? What is causing Alaska to be the place where people go missing at a rate 3 times higher than the national average? You've all heard of the Bermuda Triangle. But did you know there are other places in the world that are at the center of strange and mysterious events? It's not just over water that strange disappearances can occur. While the Bermuda Triangle is known for the many ship and airplane disappearances, there is one place in the United States that is just as strange. Many unexplained things have happened here. We are talking about the mysterious place called the Alaska Triangle. The Alaska Triangle is located in an area in the northwest corner of North America. This mysterious triangle is bounded by the cities of Barrow, Anchorage, and Juneau, Alaska, and is known to be the most dangerous triangle in the world. A disproportionate number of ships, planes and people have gone missing. At the top of the triangle sits Barrow, Alaska. It is one of the most northernmost towns in the world. It has a population of only 4,000 people. Theories surrounding the many disappearances range from UFOs to dangerous weather patterns to the mysterious Bering Sea effect. In addition to the disappearances, reports of strange lights in the sky and unusual noises have been reported in the area. The Alaska Triangle has been the site of many mysterious disappearances over the years. In 1972, a Cessna 310 carrying 4 people including Hale Boggs disappeared without a trace. The disappearance of Hale Boggs, the former Speaker of the U.S. House of Representatives, remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in American history. On October 16, 1972, Boggs was aboard a small plane, traveling from Anchorage, Alaska, to Juneau, Alaska, to attend a campaign event with fellow Democratic Congressman Nick Begich, who was also on board. The plane never arrived in Juneau, and vanished without a trace. Despite an extensive search by over hundreds of planes, ground searchers and dozens of ships, no trace of the plane or its passengers was ever found. What could be the cause of the disappearance? But, more interestingly, why has no evidence of the plane or its passengers ever been found? Boggs was a prominent political figure in the 1970s. He was also a major figure in the Democratic Party and was widely respected in Washington. His disappearance left a void in the Democratic Party, and many speculated that foul play may have been involved. But if that was the case, wouldn't someone have found pieces of the plane or other contents? Alaska is an unforgiving land, but could this plane have vanished without any trace? If there was some emergency or engine failure or bad weather, you would expect the pilot to make an attempt at a radio transmission. But none was ever issued. The track the plane was taking from Anchorage to Juneau was over very harsh terrain. First, they had to fly through the mountains to Portage Pass, then out along the Gulf of Alaska. Could there have been bad weather that caused the plane to go down in a spot where no one could access? The mystery of Boggs' disappearance has never been solved and no concrete evidence has ever been found. The case remains open to this day. More than 16,000 people have disappeared in the Alaska Triangle since 1988. In 2022 the rate was over 40 per 100,000, which is 3 times more than the rate in Arizona, which is the second state with the most people missing. With such a high rate of disappearances, what could be going on? Some people have dubbed the Alaska Triangle as the Devil's Triangle due to how sinister they believe it is. But can all this be explained? Theories of what might be happening in the Alaska Triangle range from natural phenomena to extraterrestrial activity. In 2022, data from a UFO hotline was analyzed and Alaska ranked as the 3rd top place for UFO sightings. There are over 90 sightings per 100,000 residents. These range from eyewitnesses seeing and recording glowing objects falling from the sky to people seeing disc-like objects flying. These reports of strange lights in the sky, unusual noises, and unexplained disappearances lead many to believe that the triangle is the site of alien activity. Is this an area that is frequently visited and by alien life forms because it is remote? Some believe that the triangle is the site of some kind of magnetic anomaly that causes ships and planes to disappear or malfunction, while others believe that it is the site of a portal to another dimension. Or could it be where evil spirits roam? Legends tell of shape-shifting creature called the Kushtaka that may be responsible for people vanishing into thin air. Despite the numerous theories, the truth behind the Alaska Triangle remains a mystery. What is certain is that something odd is happening in this remote corner of the world, and it has been happening for quite some time. What could be causing the disappearances in the Alaska Triangle? Is there a scientific explanation for the mysterious phenomena occurring in the region? Are the reports of alien activity or evil spirits real? Or are they merely a product of overactive imaginations? The questions remain, and the answers are not yet discovered. The Alaska Triangle and Bermuda Triangle share some similarities in terms of the number of unexplained disappearances that have occurred in each area. Both regions have been the sites of numerous ships and planes that have gone missing without a trace. However, the two triangles differ in terms of location and size. The Bermuda Triangle is located in the Atlantic Ocean and is much larger than the Alaska Triangle. It is mostly over water, so when a ship or plane goes missing it can be much harder to find than if it was over land. However, the Alaska Triangle is over very hard wilderness. Over 57 million acres of rugged wilderness exists in Alaska. That is a lot of area for someone to get lost and never come back. Also, the wildlife is unforgiving and people who aren't prepared can be easily overpowered by animals and never found again. It is a beautiful and majestic place, where nature rules. With that beauty also comes danger. We may never solve the mystery of the Alaska Triangle. Those who venture in there and meet their end can never tell us what really happened to them. Anyone that is planning on traveling or exploring these remote areas, take caution and beware of the dangers. If you witness something out of this world, tell everyone about it and perhaps we will solve this mystery. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you want to know when we take a look at another mystery of our world.